Today I'm going to show you how to make this super fun multicolored patriotic tumbler. I love how this one turned out, and I think you could use this technique for many different designs. Let's get started on the tutorial. I have had this shorty from the Tipsy Magnolia painted blue for over a year, waiting for something beautiful to happen to it, and I decided to hurry and turn it into a 4th of July tumbler. I know the 4th of July is tomorrow and I'm late, but better late than never. You can watch this tutorial and then just adapt the techniques and turn it into a tumbler for another theme. I am just applying a thin coat of epoxy, and then I am taking one of my all-time favorite blues called Betsy, which is absolutely stunning, as you can see here, and I'm applying it all over my tumbler. You're going to let this glitter and epoxy cure for an hour or two, depending on what epoxy you used, and then you are going to coat it until smooth. That could take one coat if you're using a thicker epoxy, or a couple coats if you're using a thinner epoxy. Once that is all cured, you're going to take some, tack it over and over, and I just put some here in a little medicine cup. I use it at full force here. I do not water it down like a lot of people do, and I am just taking a fan brush, but it can be any brush. This is just one that I found really quickly. It doesn't have to be a fan brush, and we're just going to apply some strokes with that, tack it over and over. We are going to leave quite a bit of glitter exposed. We want to see that sparkle through, so don't over apply the Aleene's tack it over and over. You're going to let this tacket dry until it's clear, and then take some foil flakes. I got mine from Woody's Goodies. I ordered a red, a blue, and then like a silver holographic. And we don't want to waste too much here, so I'm just grabbing a little bit at a time. And I'm kind of dabbing it on that tacket. I don't want one full color on the tacket sections. I want it to look really distressed. Now that you have all of your foil flakes applied, make sure you remember to put the lids on these foil flakes, because you naturally will want to blow and you'll just contaminate them or blow them everywhere. Then I'm going to take a firm chip brush and I'm just going to rub down those foils, and then all the rest of the excess will come off. After that, we are going to epoxy our tumbler, and then I have this really cute decal I got from AB Designs Co. It kind of looks like a label, and I just thought it was so adorable, and it was just perfect for my little patriotic tumbler here. So I'm just lining that up and then applying that down smoothly. Once your decal is applied, you can add your final layers of epoxy until your tumbler is smooth. And And here is our tumbler all finished. I just love the final result. I hope you guys did as well. If you try this technique, make sure you give me a tag so I can see your beautiful work as well. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and look for me on all other social media platforms under Diamonds and Dust.